There's not a great deal to report for part 3, but let's go anyway. So I'm left with the task of covering up those speakers. Now, I should have built the speakers inside the cabinet, but I can't take it apart and pop them in, so they're sort of protruding a little bit. So here I am marking out the casing that's going to go around them, and I thought I won't laser cut them, I'll hand cut them. And I found a really useful method of getting the angles right for the casing is to first cut out templates in paper, then lay them over MDF and cut them out. Worked really well, actually. In fact, it worked first time. And here I am just sanding everything. You don't get the crisp finish that you do with laser cutting, but I enjoyed the process of manually putting it together. And here it is. Here's the case that surrounds the speakers, and it's actually lying flush with the control panel. More spray paint just to keep it in keeping with the rest of the cabinet, really. And here is the finished casing. I was thinking about drilling holes for the speakers, but you can actually hear it pretty well. The sound comes out pretty well from within the casing. Yet more oak leaves, because I want to hide the joins, I want to hide the seams. So again, lots more oak leaves laser cutting, and that means lot more painting and a lot more outlining and detailing with just a simple black Sharpie. Luckily it was sunny, so I sat outside and did it and started putting them together. Now, what you think when you think you've done a lot of oak leaves, when you actually come to put them round the edges to hide and soften the hard corners of the casing, you actually realise, well, I actually realised I didn't do enough. So that's my next step now, is to do more oak leaves, just to really make the bottom half of the cabinet pop. And it's always a nervous time whenever I make a change, no matter how insignificant or how unrelated an addition is to a project. It always causes problems when booting it up, but I'm very, very pleased to say that the game still boots up. The Raspberry Pi that's inside running Retropie still boots up and runs my game, which is a huge relief. So that's where I am with part 3 of making a bespoke cabinet. Thanks for stopping by.